Hey Damore Bakery family, it's Daisy Jove here, and I made a vegan, gluten-free chocolate chip cookie, and it's absolutely delicious. You have to try and make it. So if you want to go ahead and try to make those, go ahead and watch this video, and underneath in the description box, I'm going to go ahead and put all the ingredients and the measurements that I use to make these cookies. I also have all my social media on there, and also if you haven't already become part of the Damore Bakery family, go ahead and subscribe below and post in the comments, say hi, and let me know what kind of videos you would like to see, any cake tutorials, any recipes, anything like that. Okay, so enjoy the video, and I hope you like them when you make them, because I know I love them. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So we have some chocolate chips. I absolutely love these. I get these from Walmart. They are made with 3 ingredients. So real chocolate, cocoa butter, and pure cane sugar. I chose the semi-sweet Morstells. I think that's how you say it. But they also have dark chocolate. We have the white granulated sugar, some brown sugar as well. We have the flour, and that's gluten-free all-purpose flour. I also get that at Walmart. It is again called the all-purpose gluten-free baking without compromise. It is absolutely delicious. I've tried other ones, but that is absolutely my favorite. And then next we have butter, and this is vegan butter. It is about 1/2 cup of vegan butter, and it's vegan. It's literally called, it's vegan. And it is from, I can't believe it's not butter, and it's absolutely delicious, my favorite one so far. And then any kind of vanilla that you like. Then we have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then you just need any bowl that will fit all of your ingredients in. So we go ahead and we put the butter in. Look at how smooth that is. Like, it's just so spreadable. It looks like real butter. But again, it is vegan. So go ahead and put all of that in there. Then we're going to go ahead and put our 3/8 of a cup of white sugar and 3/8 of a cup of brown sugar. We're going to mix that together with any kind of spoon. I try to make this as simple as possible because you can make it pretty much with anything. If you want to, you can make it with a stand mixer or with a hand mixer, whatever you want to do it with. But I just wanted to show you that it can be done with anything. So go ahead and mix that up until you get just a really smooth consistency. It's going to need a little bit of, work. That is a little bit fast forward, so don't think you have to go that fast at all. But yes, go ahead and just make that as smooth as possible. And as soon as you have that done, you're going to go ahead and grab your 1 1/4 cup of gluten-free flour. So that's gluten-free all-purpose flour. You're going to put that in. Geez, I take forever to put stuff in. But yeah, we put that in. And we go ahead and mix that in all the way through. Oh yes, I forgot. So we go ahead and put in that baking powder and that baking soda, 1 teaspoon of each. And before I forget, I'm going to go ahead and put a splash of vanilla. This is optional. I just love the taste of vanilla, but you don't have to put this in at all. So go ahead and mix that through until you get a dough-like consistency. It's going to look like it's never going to come together, but just keep on going and it will. You don't want to add any kind of moisture or anything in there. If not, it'll just become droopy and gross. So just go ahead and keep mixing it because it'll come out perfect. Just give it a little bit of time, a little bit of elbow grease, and you'll be good. Once that's all mixed through and it looks like a dough-like consistency, we're going to add our chocolate chips. So delicious. I'm telling you, I eat them right out the bag. It's a problem. So we go ahead and mix those in. And of course, you can add as little or as much as you want. I added about 1/2 bag. The exact measurements or how much I exactly put in there will be in the description box below, so make sure to look that up. I do like to pat it with my fingers just to make sure it's the right consistency. And you can use it as cookie dough if you want to, but again, I'm baking these. So I don't put anything on the pans, and I'm sorry that they look so ugly, the pans. They've been used over and over again. But I don't put butter, I don't put olive oil, I don't put anything on there. I just cook them right on the sheet. So this made about 16 cookies. This is my half a batch of my recipe. So you go ahead and put that in 375 degree oven for 9 minutes. I always like to put my timer on because I'll forget about them. And we are done. So at 9 minutes, you just pull them out. And it's kind of hard for me to open these because they're so hot. But look at the inside of that. Oh my goodness. So delicious. They are so good. You have to try them. Absolutely delicious.